In this video, I will show you how to upload an image on Leonardo AI. So in order to upload an image, what we can do is we can head over first to their website, which is app.leonardo.ai, or just simply just Leonardo. So what we can do right here is go ahead and just show here the tools that we can actually use. So we have in here this image creation. Just head over and click on that. And then after you have done that, it should be able to show you in here this. So in here, let's go see what they have. So for this case, you can see in here that you can try a prompt. You can also click onto this icon that will allow you to actually input right here and images. And we have here this images option as well as elements. So you can choose in here this image to image, or for this one, the only available one is content reference. You can head over and click on that. And then for this one, make sure that you're actually subscribed to one of their paid plans because they're actually only available to that. Once you're subscribed, you can head over and click on that and then upload in here an image that you want to use. You can choose the image dimensions, number of images, as well as some mode. So after that, just type a prompt. Like for example, if you have a picture of a cat, you can change that into what you want. So I have in here this picture of the cat. So we can head over and then edit it out using Leonardo AI right here. So this cat right here, you can upload it using this and then type a prompt. Like for example, turn my cat black. And then you can just send that and click on generate, and it should be able to give you in here the uploaded images that you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.